Alright, Sunny people. It's Sunny T back with you. It's another sunny day. Let's see if we can get on them. Sunny K and myself went earlier this week to the east side in the kayak, and we did okay. It wasn't a spectacular day, but it was a productive day. But unfortunately, we had technical difficulties when we went from SD card to laptop, so all that footage got lost. But that's okay. It was still a great, excellent time with the wife. Anytime that I can get fishing with my lovely wife is a lovely day. So, in effort to get at least a little bit of footage, hopefully a lot of bit of footage, I'm going to, and you're gonna come with me to fish the little hidden creek that we always fish. See, we just had a rainstorm two nights ago. Yeah, I think it was 2 nights ago. So as you see, the water's up considerably, and I'm guessing it's actually really clear. I'm guessing it's going to be fairly chilly. Not looking forward to that, since I've got, I don't have my warm waders on yet, but that's all right. That's what we do for the sunny people. And if it's just too doggone cold, then we'll go to another part of the creek where we don't have to wade as much, hopefully. We have, let me show y'all. We're gonna give the old Charlie Brewer baby bass with the chartreuse tail. I'm gonna give that one a try. Excuse my ashy hands. Just got off work not too long ago. Let's see if they want it. There he is. Little greenie, I think. Yeah. Those greenies don't fight and bite as hard as those red breasts, but they are still fine. I think he wanted it, sunny people. Yeah, I think he wanted it. Goodness gracious. Little guy, too. Got heavy bones, though. Got some nice, good, heavy bones. Golly, he choked it. He wanted it. Come on, buddy. All right. Let's let him go. There he goes. We're on the board, sunny people. Might try that shallow flat. It won't be so shallow today. Maybe I'll try it. If I can get down, if I can remember how to get over there. That's a good cast. Good bite again. It's kind of weird. There he is. Wow, they are tagging it. That's a bunch of them. Got that one. We got him, sunny people. A little long ear. Look at that beautiful long ear. Look at that beautiful long ear. Were you giving us the rap tap taps? Wow. Oh no, y'all didn't get to see him. Hopefully I catch another one. But these fish are a lot colder than even a week ago. See if I can hook up to whatever it is. Maybe I'll have to break out the spinnerbait. Before that, I'll try the worm, though. Yep. The little feller came and got it. Another long ear. So it might be a little bit smaller. Well, about the same size. See that beautiful long-eared sunny people. That's the long-eared sunfish. In the creeks and the rivers in Central Texas, we got a bunch of them. In the summertime, when they're really colored up, oh my goodness. What a treat. What a treat. But yeah, still beautiful in the wintertime or in the fall. Let's get another one. Tagging it. Just gonna swim it a little bit slower. See if we can get them to really take it. There he is. Not so much. Oh, is that what those are? See there, sunny people? We love catching these guys too. But we really like the sunfish. Alright, sunny people. We're gonna go with the little 3-inch worm with the 1/16 of an ounce jig. See if we can get a bigger fish or something that really wants it. Bigger sunny, or just because they were tagging the little grub. Let's see if they like that. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Might be a big Rio. I think what it is a big. It's not a big Rio. I take that back. That's not a bad Rio. Come on, buddy. Don't you flap. And he got off. Of course he did. Tore his lip up, but about a 6-7 inch Rio. Maybe a little bit bigger, but after a good rain, and we did have like 3, maybe 3.5 inches of rain over here. Day like today, the TRD, the Z-Man Elastec products would probably be better. But I didn't think of that before I got into the Jeep, so we're gonna have to work with what we got. I think we'll still be alright. Alright. So we'll try this Jake 2.5 inch, like twin pintail type deal. In the white color. Seems like the brighter colors are getting bit the most. Let's try our good friend Pumpkin. It's heavier jig head than normal, but I think it'll be alright. Oh boy. See if we can get out. Alright, we made it. See if we can get bit. There's a bite. Missed him. Jeez. He came and took it while it was sitting still. Greenie. Checking my watch. Yeah, Mr. Greenie. Wow. Here we go. Little Greenie. Got something, but I'm hooked in this stupid tree. Ain't that something, y'all? Oh, I got it loose. I was hooked in a dumb tree the whole time. Hopefully y'all got a little bit of it. A little long ear. Hooked himself. No, he ate it. Excuse me. No, he didn't. Just got the side of it. Swiped at it. Yeah, they'll fin you. A little too long here. Let's see if there's another one over there to be had.